Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to connect headphones in Zoom Meeting. This information has been directly provided by Zoom support, so it is a reliable source that you can follow. For Windows or Mac OS, if you are using wired headphones, simply connect them and the process will start automatically. However, if you are using Bluetooth headphones, you will need to follow these steps. Pair your headphones with the computer, join or start a meeting. If prompted, click on Join with Computer Audio. In the Meeting Controls toolbar, click on the arrow icon next to Mute and Unmute. There you will find the option Select a Microphone where you can choose the model or brand of your headphones. Then in Select a Speaker, choose your headphones as well. If your headphones are not showing up, it may be because they are not connected to your computer. Ensure they are connected by checking the settings or your Bluetooth section. For Android or iOS, after connecting your headphones to your mobile device, join or start a meeting. If this is your first time, Zoom will ask for permission, and you will need to select either Wi-Fi or cellular data. This is optional. Then at the top corner, look for the Bluetooth logo to ensure your headphones are selected. If you don't see the Bluetooth logo with the speaker icon, it means your headphones are not connected. You will need to disconnect your headphones and reconnect them during the meeting. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily